Sandy, what's one of the crazier calls you've gotten?
You really want me to tell you the story?
I do.
Okay. So I did have a lady call me a couple years ago, and she said that she thinks there's a bat in her furnace. So I did not think anything of it because you well know we run into many different animals.
Had my fill of bats.
Yes, I have pictures. So I was setting up the service call for her, gathering all her information, and I said, well, are you hearing a noise coming from your furnace? Are you having any smells? Which is typical when we have that happen.
Sure.
And she says, no, nothing like that, but I went to my thermostat and on the screen it said bat. And so I had to compose myself for just a moment, and then I had to kindly figure out a way to explain to her that she just needed to change the batteries in her thermostat.
You mean her thermostat didn't know?
Yeah, no, that is a smart house, if that was the case, but no. It was just a case of no batteries. No batteries, dead batteries. No dead bat, dead batteries. That was a fun.
That's a good one.
Add that one to the list.
Yep.